Melissa with WTI, and I used to have a closet filled with wrinkled clothes. I used to look at people with their wrinkle-free clothes, and I think they look so polished. I want to look like that too. But I really don't like ironing, and I do not like steaming, but it didn't even matter if I did like those things because I never have the time to do it. If you can relate, Bellairon has created an all-in-one iron and drying machine. It works in minutes and it gives me that elegant, put-together look that I want. Its compact size makes it really easy to store, and when it's all put together, the height adjustable brackets are tall enough for my husband's clothes, and he's 6'2". It even has zippers so that you can adjust it to fit different sizes, and it comes with 4 weighted clips. I've used it with damp clothes right out of the washer, but you can use it with dry clothes. You just want to use a spray bottle to dampen them before you get started. It works great both ways. I love that it has 3 heat settings so that you can use different materials, hats, or even soggy shoes. So if you want crisp, dry, ready-to-wear clothes in minutes without the work, then this is the perfect addition to your laundry routine. And that's my point of view.